Understanding, Stirring Up Emotions, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, stirring up emotions. This phrase is used frequently in both everyday conversations and in literature, but what does it actually mean? Stick around as we dive deep into its meaning, usage, and how it can affect our communication and understanding of each other. At its core, stirring up emotions means to evoke or awaken feelings in someone. This can be anything from happiness and love to anger and sadness. The word, stirring, here is key, as it suggests a kind of gentle or vigorous shaking. Imagine stirring a pot. It's about moving these emotions from a state of rest to activity, making them more noticeable or felt more intensely. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. A powerful speech can stir up emotions of patriotism and pride. Certain songs have the ability to stir up nostalgia and longing for the past. Movies often stir up emotions, making us feel connected to the characters and their journeys. These examples show how various forms of communication can elicit strong emotional responses, stirring them up within us. Understanding the concept of stirring up emotions is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it helps us comprehend how words, images, and sounds influence our feelings and reactions. Secondly, it's essential for effective communication, allowing us to express ourselves more deeply and connect with others on an emotional level. Lastly, recognizing when our emotions are being stirred can help us respond more thoughtfully to different situations. You can use stirring up emotions in your own communication to describe a situation where feelings are evoked. For example, the news story about the community's response to the crisis stirred up emotions of hope and solidarity. Reading her letter stirred up emotions I didn't know I had. Using this phrase can add depth to your observations and help you articulate the emotional impact of experiences and stories. We hope this exploration of stirring up emotions has been enlightening and will enhance your understanding and use of the English language. Remember, emotions are a powerful part of human experience, and the way we talk about them can profoundly affect our communication and connections with others. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the fascinating world of language learning.